स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
Initially, Punjab's agriculture GDP grew at 5.7% per annum during 1971 to 72 to 1985 to 86, which was more than double the growth rate of 2.31% achieved at all India level during the same period. But after 1985 to 86, Green Revolution started growing and growth in Punjab agriculture slowed down to 3% per annum over the period 1985 to 86 to 2004 to 2005, almost the same as achieved at all India level. Afterwards, its growth crashed down to just 1.6% per annum during 2005 to 2006 to 2014 to 15, which was less than half the all India agriculture GDP growth of 3.5% over the same period. Over the years, Punjab has concentrated on food grain production, with the area under food grains as a share of cross-cropped area increasing from 76.5% in 1986 to 87 to 83.4% in 2014 to 15, while the share of cotton, sugar and oilseeds declined significantly. In 2014-15, the area under cotton, oilseeds and sugarcane was 5.7%, 0.6% and 1.2% respectively. Fruits and vegetables constituted 0.99% and 2.6% of the total gross cropped area in 2014-15 respectively. The land use pattern has remained unchanged over the years, with net sown area marginally declining from 83 to 82% between 1986 to 87 to 2012-13. Forest area marginally increased from 4.4% to 6% in the same period. Net sown area and net irrigated area in 2012-13 stood at 4.15 million hectares and 4.09 million hectares respectively. Average landholding in Punjab increased from 2.89 hectares in 1970-1971 to 3.77 hectares in 2010 to 2011.
The primary goal of Green Revolution was to achieve self-sufficiency in food grain production, which resulted in increase in production of rice and wheat in Punjab. The fruits and vegetables and livestock sectors have marginally increased their share in gross value of output. 42.7% constitute the highest share, followed by livestock 28.6% and fruits and vegetables 6%. The contribution of different sectors in the total growth of agriculture and allied activities shows that the highest contribution came from cereal segment 38.9%, followed by livestock 31.7% and fruits and vegetables 15.4%. The important crops produced in Punjab include rice, wheat, maize, bajra, sugarcane, oilseeds and cotton. Production of wheat increased from 4.8 million MT in 1970-71 to 16.4 million MT in 2014-15. Similarly, the production of rice increased from 0.57 million MT to 11.25 million MT in the same period. Punjab already has achieved very high productivity for all its important crops, and state does not have much scope to improve yield. The production of fruits increased from 0.75 million MT in 2005-6 to 1.64 million MT in 2014-15. Similarly, the production of vegetables increased from 2.43 million MT to 4.17 million MT in the same period.